Tootsie Rolls are a classic candy. Many people love their chocolate flavor. Making them at home is fun. You can enjoy this treat anytime. Homemade Tootsie Rolls are a tasty treat. They are perfect for parties or gifts. You can even involve your kids in the process. Let's get started. Before we begin, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of milk chocolate chips, which will form the base of our delicious homemade Tootsie Rolls. Make sure to use high-quality chocolate for the best results. Next, you'll need half a cup of light corn syrup. This ingredient is crucial as it adds the perfect amount of sweetness and helps to achieve that chewy texture we all love in Tootsie Rolls. Then, measure out a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. This will give our candy that rich, chocolatey flavor. Make sure it's unsweetened to balance the sweetness from the corn syrup. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a hint of aromatic flavor, and don't forget a pinch of salt. The salt enhances all the other flavors, making the candy even more irresistible. Finally, have some powdered sugar on hand for dusting. This will prevent the candy from sticking and give it a nice finish. Having all your ingredients ready and measured out ensures a smooth and enjoyable candy-making experience. Preparation is key to making sure everything goes seamlessly. Now that we have everything we need, let's move on to the fun part, making the Tootsie Rolls. Get ready to create some delicious treats that everyone will love. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine milk chocolate chips and corn syrup. Make sure to use a bowl that is large enough to allow for easy stirring and melting. The corn syrup helps to keep the chocolate smooth and gives it a nice, glossy finish. Microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring in between until melted and smooth. This step is crucial to prevent the chocolate from burning. Be patient and keep stirring to ensure an even melt. If you rush this step, the chocolate might seize up and become grainy. Stir in cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and salt until well combined. These ingredients add depth of flavor and enhance the overall taste of the chocolate. Make sure everything is thoroughly mixed to avoid any lumps. Transfer the mixture to a parchment-lined baking sheet. Let it cool slightly. The parchment paper prevents the chocolate from sticking and makes it easier to handle later. Allow it to cool just enough so that it is still pliable but not too hot to touch. Once cool enough to handle, knead the mixture for a few minutes until it becomes smooth and pliable. This step is important to achieve the right texture. Kneading helps to evenly distribute the ingredients and makes the dough easier to shape. Divide the dough into small portions and roll them into Tootsie Roll shapes. You can make them as big or as small as you like. Once shaped, let them set at room temperature or refrigerate them for a firmer texture. Enjoy your homemade Tootsie Rolls.